Welcome to Watch Chat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. After watching this video, you could be one. A big shout out to SHH for allowing me to check out their watches. And if you're around the area and will want to see this timepiece, I'm sure they'll be more than willing to accommodate you. The Tonda Parmigiani Fleurier Flying Tourbillon Platinum Blue is a mouthful name and a rare piece to come by. The name itself gives a full description of what it is, but in case you would like to know more and to know what I think of this piece, do stay on to the end of this video. Parmigiani Fleurier was birthed in 1976 when a young Michael Parmigiani, a watchmaker and restorer, set up shop to restore antique timepieces such as Patek Philippe, whilst creating and designing complex timepieces of his own. The Tonda line of watches is, according to Parmigiani, a mature sartorial approach of watchmaking. To me, this feels like a modern rendition of a Rolex Datejust. This is in no way a negative to both watch brands. Rolex has set their Datejust standard so high that it is a good benchmark to measure one's ranking. I wouldn't consider the Tonda PF to be a sport watch because that belongs to a different category altogether, called, wait for it, the Tonda PF Sport. The design cues of a Tonda PF, however, which in my books is a dress watch, just feels more modern, sporty, and a little bit more full of character. Take this Tonda for example. The case itself has a round clean design that is measured at 42mm in diameter. Yet, the entire watch together with the flat sapphire crystal is measured at 8.6mm. This robust, yet lean looking machine does not compromise its masculinity over elegance. Like the making of any suit jacket, a tailor knows how to accentuate the shoulder area and refine the waistline, making it runway worthy. The satin finished sides, pun intended, is extended with teardrop shaped lugs that is also satin at the sides but with polished bevels and including the inner parts. It's little details like this that I appreciate. The front of the lugs is polished and brushed. Whilst the lugs may be thick, the intelligent design of having it brushed and polished gives it an illusion that it has thin lugs. This design language follows true to the rest of the bracelet, tapering down the brushed and polished segments. The bracelet is a three-piece integrated design with short links, making the flow of the wrist more seamless, comfortable and elegant. It has screw pins instead of pin sleeves for micro adjustments. The clasp here showcases PF's nameplate on it that is open using a twin pusher. The clasp here is made out of 18 karat white gold, whilst the bracelet is titanium like the rest of the watch. Although the height of the watch measuring from lug to lug is 46.9mm, because the bracelet is integrated, the bracelet flares out a little, making the length 52.6mm. Notwithstanding that, it still flows very nicely on my 16cm circumference wrist. The bezel here is interesting. There is a slight raise from the case that is polished before the coin-edge design. It then ends with an extended polished ring before the AR-coated sapphire crystal. The interchanging configuration is subtle but yet pleasing to the eyes. The dial is platinum, sandblasted with a blue Milano color. It has a pretty dark color. However, under certain lighting, the blue gives out a perfect contrast with the hand-applied 18 karat white gold rhodium-plated indices and skeletonized delta-shaped hands and the oval cartouche. Yes, the indices are pretty short, but they are sufficient. It is interesting to note that the indices on the platinum dial overlaps on the step-down chapter ring. This is a 3-hands watch. The third hand, which is the second hand, can be found etched in blue on the flying tourbillon located at the 7 o'clock. The caliber PF517 in-house automatic extra thin flying tourbillon with platinum micro rotor is made out of 207 components. It has 42 hours of power reserve, 3 Hz, 21,600 bph and 29 joules. This is really a gorgeous timepiece. It has simplicity coupled with a modernistic composition. The dial has a simple overview, making it an elegant novelty. Yes, it is noted that the engraved crown is rather small, about 4.2mm small. This is more for the aesthetic and comfort than practicality. Let's be honest here, how often do you need to wind an automatic watch if you are wearing it every day? More so, why wouldn't you want to wear this every day if it looks this good? The refined dimension of this watch and the simplistic tourbillon approach makes this a very attractive piece. It's an easy watch to wear, whether it's in a suit, slacks, or shorts to a Sunday brunch. So, what do you think of this piece? Is it too simple? Is it too much? Or what other options would you have gone for at this price? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this kind of video, please like, share, subscribe and hit that bell icon to support me, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to make more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.